Favourite type of food is pasta, Italian.
Anything burger related. So if it's a burger, I do it.
It's popcorn. It's easy to eat and easy to make, and you can make lots of different flavours.
I think Japanese food is like we use lots of vegetable and not much like a meat.
I like mum's cooking, so mum's Venezuelan background, so there's these little things called arepas. They're cornflour bread.
My native is India, so probably I like more of an Indian cuisine. And in that I like traditional Indian food.
I love all types of food. Right now I'm really liking Mexican food. Also I really love Greek food as well. It's beautiful taste. It's a nice combination of, spices and flavors and seasoning and whatnot.
I even have tried like the Asian food, the Asian cuisines. So in that I like the prawns and the fishes.
Probably duck. I think something I'd usually order if I go out to a fine dining restaurant. It's just a bit different and also full of flavour.